I don't know if the camera's on. Let me check. It is on. Alright. I am about to begin my embarkment on a 15 mile journey to the Ravinia Festival along the north shore of Chicago. So I'm at my starting point, and I'm sorry if the camera is a little wobbly. Try to keep it as straight as possible. Okay. All right. Let's see our first landmark to the left is the Baha'i Temple. Let me get a better shot of it. Okay. This is my first time recording, so this is actually a helmet camera with the camera built into the helmet. Now, let's see. This is Sheridan Road. Okay, we have a bike lane. All right. Good. Cars are going kind of fast, but let's see. All right. No buses on London Boulevard. This is a popular tourist attraction. This is the headquarters of the Baha'i faith. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the headquarters. Right there to the left, this is the white dome building. Oh, why am I on the sidewalk? Get off the sidewalk. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Whoop. Keep my head straight as possible. Okay, it seems like I'm not the only person biking this. It's a beautiful building. I think it was built in the 70s. Okay, let me keep my head toward the traffic. So right now I'm on Sheridan Avenue, which is not too far from Lake Michigan, actually. This should take me right to the festival. Kind of zigzags and turns, but it's about a 2 hour. It's about a 2 hour trip. This helmet cam only records about 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna be able to get the entire trip, but so this is about month number 3 without a car. I sold my car. I apologize for the wind and the traffic noise, but hopefully you can pick up my voice. I'll talk a little louder. This is my second month without a car. I sold my vehicle about 2 months ago, and the day after I sold my car, I bought a bicycle. And it's been my main mode of transportation ever since. And I don't miss my bike. I mean, I don't miss my car. I mean, as much as I thought I would, I'm not missing anything really, besides putting all my money in gas. But I'm still able to get to point A to point B. Sometimes, a lot of times, quicker than I would if I was in my car. So there are people behind me.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh. All right. Okie see. Do they have the... Okay, time to go. All right. Try to adjust the helmet. Right now, I think I am in a. Oh, okay. Right now, I'm in Winnetka, Illinois. I'm gonna be riding to Highland Park and all of the towns in between. In this journey, I mean, this is probably one of the most affluent neighborhoods in the whole country, actually. Yeah, one of the most affluent areas. I think I looked at a top 10 list of the richest neighborhoods in the United States, and Highland Park, which is where I'm going, in this kind of North Shore Chicago area, was on the list, about number 7 or 8 or something like that. But Michael Jordan had a house out here most of his career, so I don't know if you can see some of the houses. Kind of has a New England feel to it a little bit. Well, some of these houses do. Oh. Okay, stop sign. It's a lot more active than I thought it would be out here. A lot more active. Usually when I think of the suburbs, I think of the quiet and, you know, everybody's in their house. You see people are out, and kind of like a little city or a little town or something. It's very nice. I have no idea what that is. Bike lane, a Starbucks. Ta-da. Right over that wall. See the lake. Yeah. I often wonder in towns like these, what are the occupation of the residents that live here? You know, this much wealth concentrated in one area. You know, like oh, there's another person of color. I didn't expect to see one of those. Okay, that wasn't very nice, but anyways, what I was saying is that I wonder what the occupation, I wonder what people, the Wilmette, welcome to Wilmette sign. In that top 10 list of the most expensive neighborhoods or areas in the country, I think number 1 was a town outside of Virginia, right outside of DC, and I mean, these are huge mansions and castles in this area, but they're known to be defense contractors and government contractors, you know, billionaires, literally the nation's most wealthiest people live there, and defense contractors, basically, you know, when people who own companies, private companies, they get contracts from the government, you know, war millionaires or war billionaires, basically, you know, concentrated in this one area outside of DC. So, I just wonder what other people here do. Like, what does that guy have? What's his occupation? What company does he own? It's interesting. I think my chain needs some more oil. It's squeaking. Never been to California, but it has a kind of a California feel to it up here. Like that neighborhood, like Bel Air or something like that. Ta-da! Nice smooth ride. Ta-da! See if we can get a good shot of the lake. This street twists and turns, so I know at a few points we'll be able to get a nice glimpse of the lakefront. Oh, the concert I'm going to see is David Byrne from the Talking Heads. Did a collaboration with an artist named St. Vincent, or what have you. David Byrne is a big, well-known bicycle advocate. I wrote a couple books on it. Actually, he inspired me to kind of, take up cycling more as not just as for fun or exercise, but really as a means of transportation. I guess the exercise is an added bonus. When I was a kid, I had about three or four bicycles. Cheap bicycles, from Walmart or whatever, or Toys R Us was probably. Look at that house. Yeah, I don't really like these. Some of these houses, they try to have that old colonial feel to it, but the bricks are so plastic looking, like it just doesn't look. Excuse me. Look very authentic, Oh yeah, but when I was a kid, the bikes I had, I would get a bike and you could only ride around like this set designated area. Your parents would tell you, just ride up and down this street. And I would tear those bikes up. I mean, bend the wheel, going, hitting curves and all that. And I would just go through those bikes. I think 2 of them got stolen. But, bikes are fun. They're fun. Summertime hits. It gets warm outside. You pull out the bike. So there's a lakefront right there. But I'm not going to stop, though, because I have some ground to cover. But, yeah, but bicycling as a means of transportation, I feel like there's nowhere in these past 2 months that I needed to go that I haven't been able to get to on my bicycle. They have public transportation. I came all the way up here from my starting point on the Chicago public transportation, right from my house. It took about an hour and a few minutes to get there, but hey, who the hell needs a car? I can just put my bike on on the train and just ride along. Now, what gave me the idea to do this helmet camera thingy is, I don't know, I think out loud a lot of times. I like to talk to myself. Often I talk to myself when I'm riding my bike. And I try to do it when people aren't looking. So say, hey, might as well just record myself. Hopefully I can get some good footage. But this is a new device, actually, a new product from this company. I can't remember the name of the company out of California that built these helmets, bicycle helmets, with the camera. Let me adjust it. Now and then I like to try to adjust this thing. With the camera built inside. I hope I get a smoother street. You'd think people would have better streets. Shit. Oh man. Fuck. I think it might be time to get on the sidewalk. The hell was I talking about? Yeah, so I already talked to myself. Okay, sidewalk time. Sidewalk time. Don't want to break my damn bicycle. Yeah, so this is a helmet cam. The camera's built inside the helmet. Camera's built inside the helmet, so there's a record button. At first I was gonna get a camera, an attachable camera, and attach it to the helmet. It's been about $300 or something, or $200, you know, with the camera and the mount. But this is the first model of this company's helmet cams. There's 3 models. This one, the other 2 haven't come out yet, so this is the first model. And so the video, it only records up to 30 minutes. Video's not that great at all. It kind of sucks, if you ask me. But the second model, okay, the street looks a little better. Okay. Alright. So the second model records up to 60 minutes, and it has a wider lens, and it's a HD. It records in HD quality footage. So, you know, I'll upgrade to that soon, but I only paid $40 for this helmet cam. And it's mostly for like BMX. That's who they market to, like BMX people, or people that like to do skateboarding and stuff like that. Get that POV, point of view thing. But it's you know, why not do it for cycling? It is a really, really serene up here. Fresh air. I don't know when this helmet, when the video is going to run out on me. So I know I'm probably going to be spending like an hour just talking without it recording, but whatever. Also, I bought an aluminum bike. Aluminum alloy frame bike. And I should have freaking bought a mountain bike or a steel bike, because I feel every freaking bump. It's lightweight, I don't have to worry. And the reason why I bought it was for its lightweight and agility, but I feel every damn bump in this thing, and I would thought it would be better roads up here. It's patched up. This is terrible. I am tearing my bicycle up. These fucked up ass streets. It's all this patchwork on the side. Yeah, but I feel every bump. Every single bump I feel. Okay. Hill up ahead. It's time to go into second gear. This freaking bike. Not much to look at. Like, this is my first video. I mean, the video could be sideways. You could not hear a word I'm saying. So hopefully, you know, give this a shout out. Look at that cat. Oh, man. You know, I thought smooth road. I just thought nice, smooth black road. I mean, you can't enjoy biking with all these damn bumps. When I hit a smooth surface, oh man, it's smooth sailing. It's a beautiful feeling, riding on that smooth surface. But this is okay. I gotta make sure I stay on Sheridan. Don't want to go the wrong way. Okay, I am at Sheridan. Hopefully this car will turn. Do. La di da, la di da. This is. Oh man, please give me a.
Careful down in there.
All right, thanks. Careful where? The hell was he talking about? Careful. I guess he was talking about these fucking shitty ass. Yeah. And he went around. That's what I'm gonna do. La da da da. That was nice of him. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. That is crappy. Look at that shit. Okay. Alright. Ooh, look at this little hill. Whee! Whoa, shit. Oh, that's what he was telling me to be careful. What the hell? Huh. Well, if something happens, I get hit by a car or something. At least I have it on footage. Whoa. Okay. Now all I need is to hit a bump. I'm flying. I am fucking flying. Or hit a pothole or some shit. And the wind is blowing pretty good. And kind of move over to the side. Wow, look at this. This is like a little fucking I hope I get this on camera. This is like a fucking Jurassic Park looking shit. Okay. Ugh, that was a nice bump. That was a huge bump. I hope I'm still on Sheridan. Last thing I need to be is going in the wrong direction. I wonder if the. Alright. I'm feeling I probably bent my wheel or something. Okay, it might be time for a second gear. Holy hell, dude, this is like. Okay, second gear, there we go. See cars are slowing down next to me, which is great. That's really nice of them. Sometimes a car will just fly past you going 45 miles an hour and scare the hell out of me. These are being very courteous. So I imagine there's a lot of bikers that take this street a lot. This shit is more tedious than I fucking thought it was. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I'm still on Sheridan. Alright. Wonder if this thing is still recording. Has it been 30 minutes yet? Glencoe. Welcome to the village of Glencoe. One of my biggest fears now of riding through or walking through an unknown neighborhood is running into a George Zimmerman But I'm on a bike though, and I have my ticket if I get stopped. So you gotta be vigilant wherever you are. Whether I'm in the hood, you gotta be careful on both ends of the spectrum. But you know, I feel very safe up here, you know. Whatever. Okay, look. I should have used my phone as a timer so I would know. I don't remember what time I started. Good way to see if it's still recording. Huh, smart car. Oh, this is great. I have an extra ticket to this concert and I couldn't find anybody to go with me, so I'm probably gonna just end up giving it to somebody because I have seating tickets, and where I'm going is a outdoor music festival venue or whatever, and there's a lot of people picnicking, and Ravinia is great. It's a great outdoor festival or whatever, but you know, more fun for me. Everybody's at their jobs right now, working. Most of my friends are off on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. That's like the new weekend now. Tuesdays and Wednesday. Tuesdays and Wednesday. What happened to Saturday and Sunday? Oh. You know. Lottie. It's nothing like getting out and enjoying someplace new, you know. I may not have the money to travel to another country or whatever, but shit, I got a damn bus pass. I can go anywhere I fucking feel like it. Be somewhere new. Okay, I need to go in the third gear maybe. La-dee-dee-dee-doo. I think it might be around 30 minutes. I should see if this video is still recording. So I can get some speed on this bicycle. All I need is a decent road, you know. But I have to constantly stop myself. Can't go that fast. See, them bumps they may not look like nothing, but I feel them. Like that. I felt that. Felt that. Look at that house. Look at that house. This is where like rappers and shit, or like black. God damn. This is like where you know, like millionaires and billionaires and shit, or like movie stars or people that made it or whatever, would buy a house around here to kind of be obscure from everything, to be, you know, you have your privacy or whatever. As long as you keep your cool, you know, you know how to behave in certain areas. Okay, let's take a quick break. Get some damn water. See if this helmet's still recording. Let's take this off for a second. It is still blinking. Means it is still recording. Alright. Get some water. Turn around, look and see if any cars are coming. I'm enjoying this very much. I'm feeling this helmet's not on straight. Actually, this helmet is one size, I think, too big, because I have a small head, and sure it's not tilted. Okay, well, thank you. Right. Okay, nice smooth pavement. Somewhat smooth. This is ridiculous. A red light. Still on Sheridan. Oh man. La da da da. Whoa. This isn't the proper bike, I would say, for this kind of riding. I would say this bike is very narrow and thin. It kind of looks like you can fall over in an instant, but I feel pretty balanced on it. Oh man, this is irritating. Maybe it's like a trail or something I don't know about. Wouldn't be surprised if my bike just tore apart after this damn ride. Oh, Jesus. Second gear. I figure people around here don't bike, so what's the need of fixing the damn street? Oh, boy. Okay. Just can't have it all your way. Okay. Stand there again. These streets suck. These fucking roads suck balls, man. Streets in I've been through so many bumps, man. Okay, looks like we got some smooth riding. I should check my map to see where I am. or how far I have to go. Okay. So here, North Shore. Uh-oh. Conservatory Israel. North Shore Congregation Israel. Am I surprised? Am I surprised? Money Jewish. It's like word association. Not surprised at all. Lakeshore Country Club. Alright, another hilly. Let's see, Sheridan. Okay, there's a car right here. I know down at the season, right? Still in Sheridan. Alright, a smooth road. Oh man, it feels so much better. This, you don't understand how much better this feels. Man, this is a ride right here. Nothing like smooth pavement. Let's see, the Lake County Road. Keep left. Had to slow down on that one. Oopsie, Sheridan Road. Make a right, so I have to turn right here. It's good that I saw that sign. So I'd have kept straight. Alright. Make a little right turn. I feel like it's nearby. It feels like. Look at that house. That looks like the house from that French movie. Oh shit, let me get a nice view of it. That looks like the house from the French movie. What the hell is the name of that movie? From the 1950s. I'll think of it. I'll look it up. Or it looks like the house from Powerpuff Girls, which is the same house, actually. Well, the house from that cartoon is modeled off the house from the 50s French movie. It's time to pull to the side, check my camera, my map, and get some water. It is still recording. The hell, so that must mean that it still hasn't been 30 minutes yet? Fuck out of here. I guess so. It's only a few minutes left. It's 5:30. Let's see where I am. Get the hell out of here. I am right around the damn corner. That took no time. Remember I said an hour ride? Yeah, get the fuck out of here. I am almost there. Yeah, on the map, if you looked on the map, it looked daunting on the map. It looked like it was, man, see, who needs a car when you can get around on a bicycle? You gotta see the map. From where I started to where I was going, it looked like, man, it looked daunting at first. Now it's freaking halfway. It's literally right around the corner. Oh, see, fucking ass, man. Okay, damn it, which way, Sheridan? Okay, let's keep straight. Oh man, this is cool. Might bike back. It'll be dark then. Well, who knows? Sheridan. Ravinia. Almost there. So maybe I should do the free parking ride. No, I'm not gonna do that because I need to shit, that might be it right there. Hopefully it's still recording. I'd like to record. Actually, that's it. That is it right there. Hopefully it's still recording so I can get this on footage. Start to finish, and then I'll cut it off. Oh, there it is. Ravinia Festival. Excellent day. Excellent day. Alright, I am going to cut this off because I know my time's running out. It's still blinking. Alright. Stop. Thank you for joining my first ride. Figure out how to get to Ravinia. Till next time.